The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. An Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of the Knoxville Police Department for Elton Bailey. Elton is a 2-year-old white male, 3 feet 0 inches tall, 35 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes. Elton was last seen on December 29, 2024 in the area of Old State Road in Knoxville, Tennessee. Elton was last seen wearing a gray shirt, gray pants, and black shoes. Elton may be traveling in a 2002 Goldport Explorer with Tennessee tag 859 BBG North. If you have seen Elton or have information regarding his whereabouts, please contact the Knoxville Police Department at 865-215-7000 TBI 1800 TBI FI North D.
Well, I do think from a